If you are considering a move to Celina, Texas, or thinking about buying a new construction home in Celina, Texas, you should definitely check out Lilyana and hurry because these homes are going fast. Lilyana is one of the newest master planned communities in Celina, Texas, and with their impressive collection of beautiful new homes, prime location, excellent schools, and numerous parks and amenities, I am not surprised it is one of the most sought-after communities in Celina. If you've dropped by for the first time and you are looking to make a move to the Dallas, Texas area, you have come to the right place. On this channel, I talk about real estate and all of the great things to do while living in Dallas and the surrounding areas like Celina. And I would love for you to come along for the ride. So make sure that you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know each time I release a new video. Today I'm going to take you on a tour through the community of Lilyana, and then we will tour the MI Homes model right here on site. Lilyana is located right on the border of Prosper near Frontier Parkway and Coit, where you are just a few minutes from grocery stores, restaurants, and other conveniences located on Preston Road, including the gates of Prosper shopping area where they have tons of restaurants including Olive Garden, Texas Roadhouse, Chick-fil-A, Gloria's, and lots of shopping like Walmart Supercenter, Ross, TJ Maxx, Dick's Sporting Goods, Hobby Lobby. Almost everything you need is just right here. You also have easy access to Dallas North Tollway, which will give you access to the rest of the Metroplex. In Lilyana, you are just 10 miles north of the $5 billion mile, which includes the Star, Frisco Station, Legacy West, and Legacy Business Park, which offers high-end shopping and dining and numerous sports and entertainment venues. Lilyana was built with community in mind. Each time I have visited the community, I have seen several families just hanging out at the various parks scattered throughout the neighborhood. Lilyana's Blue Bonnet Park offers a covered pavilion, picnic tables, bocce ball, cornhole, sports courts, gas grills, and a children's play area. The 400-acre community has miles and miles of walking trails, a beautiful catch and release pond with a fountain, gated dog park areas, one for big dogs and one for little pups, and of course a large and beautiful community pool. Lilyana is zoned for the award-winning Prosper ISD, which is known for their academic excellence and commitment to student success. Prosper ISD has an A+ rating on niche.com and is currently rated as the 10th best school district in the entire state of Texas. Students living in the area will go to Johnson Elementary, Rogers Middle School, and Prosper High School. However, Lilyana will be home to future Prosper ISD's on-site elementary school, making it convenient for your children to walk or bike to school. This elementary school is scheduled to open in 2023. Lilyana home builders include American Legend, Bloomfield, Highland Homes, and MI Homes. Today, I'm going to take you through the MI Homes model right here in the community. This is the Salado Floorplan. It starts at $629,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and about 3,600 square feet. My name is Cami Hall and I'm proud to be your Texas Realtor. If you are considering a move out to the Dallas area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I can't wait to hear from you. My contact information is below.